Hello guys, welcome to my channel Learn English from Scratch. So today's video we're gonna learn about colors. It's basic things. It's a basic thing you need to know. Let's start. First, color is blue. The bird is blue. Next one is red. Red. The box is red. Yellow. Yellow. The plant is yellow. Green. Green. The apple is green. So try to repeat after me. You can pause the video if you want to. Pink. Pink. Orange. Orange. So the thing is with orange is a color and something else too. We're gonna learn about that in other videos. Black. Black. White. The dog is white. Purple. Purple. Brown. Brown. The cake is brown. Gray. The cat is gray. Is it red? No, that's orange, right? Is it black? The carpet is black, but not those things, right? Is it brown? Is it brown or blue? What color is it? So if you want to know about something's color, you ask, what color is it? This is a cake, and the cake is pink. What color is it? Blue and green, right? What color is it? Again, red. Yes, it is. Is the balloon red? Red. Yes, it is. No, it is not. No, it is not, or it isn't. It's the same thing. Is it white? Yes, it is. Is it white? Yes, it is. So we're gonna say this. If it wasn't white, you are gonna say this. No, it isn't. No, it isn't, or it is not. Red. Again, we're gonna skip those. So gray. The cat is gray. 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 Alright? Brown. Brown. Purple. Purple. White. White. Black. Black. Orange. Orange. Pink. Pink. Green. green, yellow, yellow, red, red, blue, blue. So that's simple. If you want to learn something's color, what color is it, you ask. Alright, and you have to memorize those words because they're basic words, and so that's it.